Hello, today I will show you how to get kids' voice in Suno AI. What exactly Suno AI? Well, Suno is an AI-powered platform that lets you create full songs just by typing a text prompt. So let's start the main video. First, open ChatGPT. Now write this prompt and click on this. Now ChatGPT gives this lyrics. Now copy this lyrics and chorus lines. Now open Suno AI. Make sure you are logged in. Now click on Create. After that, click on Custom. In the lyrics box, paste the lyrics and chorus line that you copied. In the style box, type this prompt and click on Create. After few seconds, Suno will generate two versions of the song. For downloading song, click on three dots. Then click on Download. Now let's talk about benefit of Suno AI. Suno AI allows anyone to create full songs, lyrics, vocals, and music, without any prior musical skills, making it ideal for content creators, indie artists, and beginners. It saves time and production costs, supports multiple genres and languages, helps overcome creative blocks, and lets users quickly prototype, customize, and experiment with music ideas. That's it. Thanks for watching.